ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಶೋ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಣೇಶ. ಗಣೇಶನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕತೆ. ಸೊ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಈಸ್ watching his parents dance one day in Kailasha. There is a fight between Shiva and Parvati going on, and suddenly Ganesha watches them and he wants to dance like them. So when he dances, he sees his big fat belly. When he sees his big fat belly, he's so sad. He says, I want to lose weight, I want to lose my belly. And then all his Mushaka will come to his aid. The Mushakas, one of the Mushaka will come and he'll tell, eat less, and one more Mushaka's brother will come and he'll tell, exercise more, and another Mushaka's brother will come and tell, sleep well. So after he says sleep well, Ganesha will just go into sleep. So Ganesha's mother comes and she tries to feed him more. He's already upset about his big belly and he doesn't want to be fed more. So the Parvati's Vahana, the tiger, sees and says, what happened? And Ganesha explains that he's fat, and then the tiger suggests that you run like me, you run fast like me. And then Ganesha is unable to do it. He's again sad with the fat belly. Tam tajham tam tajham tam tajham tay 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 didday tay 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 didday tay 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 didday taka takita tam tam digu takita deem deem taka takita tam tam digu takita deem deem taka takita digu takita taka takita digu takita taka takita tam tam digu takita deem deem taka takita digu takita taka takita digu takita taka takita digu takita taka takita tam tam. Next, Ganesha's uncle, who is Vishnu, he comes and he blesses Ganesha with the fruit. More food for Ganesha. So he is more upset. So, idanna nodbittu Vishnu's vehicle, Garuda. So, Garuda comes and asks, what happened? So, Ganesha says, look at my big fat belly. I am so sad. And then, Garuda says, come on, fly like me. Fly like me. I am lightweight and that is why I am able to fly, and I lost weight because of flying. And then, Ganesha says, okay, let me try to fly. And he uses his big, huge ears to try and fly high, high, high. But he is unable to do it. He is again fat with a big belly. He is sad. Shanmuga, who's Subramanya, his peacock comes. His peacock brings friends and asks him, what happened? Why do you look so sad? Up next, Shiva from Kailasa sees that his son is upset, and then he tries to cheer him up. So he comes and he plays the damaru and he says, come on, dance. But Ganesha is so upset that he doesn't want to dance. So then Shiva sends his snake, which is in his neck, which is the snake Vasuki, and his brother accompanies, Adishesha. So Adishesha and Vasuki, both of them come and try to console Ganesha. They say, bend like me, stretch like me, be flexible like me, and you'll become thin. But Ganesha is unable to do it, and he's still fat with a fat belly. Nandi, the loyal aide of Shiva, hears that Ganesha is upset and he tries to come and console Ganesha. He says, dance for my Mridanga. But Ganesha tries to do it, but he is unable to do it because he is upset. So Nandi says, you are fine as you are. Don't worry about the belly. Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Tam. Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Te. Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Tam. Nam Nandi, Nam Nandi, Te. Nam Nandi, Tam. Nam Nandi, Te. Kirtadam, kirtadam, Tam. Kirtadam, kirtadam, Te. Kirtadam, kirtadam, Ta.
Tanam tadanam 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 tanam tadanam tada tanam tadanam tadai tanam tadanam tada
So finally Chandra comes and he observes Ganesha. So Ganesha takes one small snake which is moving around and he tries to tie it as a belt to make sure he does tummy tuck. He wants to reduce his tummy. So he ties the snake around. But it doesn't work. And Chandra sees this and it is so funny for Chandra that he laughs. And then Ganesha is so furious that he is laughing. He takes one of his tusks, he breaks it and he throws to Chandra. And then finally Shiva Parvati come and they are really concerned. They ask what happened. So Shiva says you ask. Parvati says you ask. And then finally Shiva asks what happened. And then Shiva says, okay, your fat belly is the trouble. Don't worry about it. Since you eat all the troubles of all the people, since you eat the vigna of all the people, that is why your belly is big. Since you are the Vigna Vinashaka, you swallow all the troubles of all the people. And that is why your belly is big. You should not be sad. You should be happy about the big belly since you are already fit and dancing.
गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुर्कामार्थ सिद्धये कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावा करोमि यद्यत् सकलं नटराजपादाय समर्पयामि। मङ्गलं कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणात्मने, मङ्गलं कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणात्मने, चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम्, चक्रवर्ती